Triangles. A triangle is a 2D shape with 3 straight sides and 3 angles, and the 3 angles add up to 180 degrees. So we're going to look at the 4 different types of triangle. So first of all, let's look at the right angle triangle. It's basically is its name. It has one right angle, which is 90 degrees. Next, we're going to look at the equilateral triangle, which has 3 equal sides in length and has 3 equal angles. Okay, so all these lengths are equal and all its angles are equal. That's the equilateral triangle. The next is the isosceles triangle. It has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. And lastly, the scalene triangle has no equal sides or angles. All 3 sides of a scalene triangle are different lengths and the angles are all different too. So in an end of term test or important exam, you might be asked to identify a type of triangle, or you might be asked to draw a type of triangle. So well done, you've reached the end of the tutorial on different types of triangle. You can complete a worksheet on triangles, or if you're still a little unsure, you can watch the lesson summary. Good luck.